music make me rate dancehall. So I tired myself properly just to date dancehall. Entertainment history was so much fun and excitement as I traced dancehall. I chase dancehall. Goose pimples invade my body as I fell in love and could not escape dancehall. The music and I became one as my plan was to stand, expand and escalate dancehall. I still honors and give kudos to the pilots who globally take dancehall. Strange but true, today some people hate dancehall. All because the business have been invaded by some culprits who produce fake dancehall. This might seem random, but seriously, I need a condom because the music industry got infected since them rape dancehall. Some are sell out the authentic Jamaican culture just to erase dancehall. Enough of them are some hurry come up dunce who not respect the